Hi everybody, welcome to my channel one more time. My name is Jimena and today I want to share with you guys how I do a step-by-step volume full set. So stay with me and let's go into it. Okay, to tape the bottom lashes, I'm going to use the microfoam tape and the blue sensitive tape. I love this tape. It's my favorite one. Next, I'm going to tape the eyelid up. This will help me to see the lashes better. As a primer, I'm using saline solution to get those lashes nice and clean. I'm mapping the eye. In the middle, I'm gonna use 14s, outers, 13s and 12s, and inners. The shorter will be 10. And here goes the process. I will try to make this video not too long, so you will see that it goes sometimes fast, and I will make it slow once in a while so you can see better how I apply the eyelashes. Here I'm gonna do the inner corners, which usually those ones are the difficult ones, and sorry if my hair gets on the way. So usually I use tape to pull the eyelid on the side so I can see better the inner corners. But her eye, it's pretty easy to do her inner corners. So I'm not doing it today on her. Her outer corner, it's a little more difficult. So I'm gonna pull the eyelid onto the kind of diagonal, and I'm gonna use tape to pull the lashes up so I can see better those little outer corners so the eye looks nice and full. Okay, so we are done over there, and this blue tape, it works very good for everything. It's a little more expensive than other tapes, but it does magic. It doesn't pull the skin as much, and it's super sticky. So is our final look. I like, before I take the tape off, I like to go through the lashes, making sure that I didn't forget anything, and there I'm just doing some touch-ups. Once I'm done, I like to mist the lashes to cure the glue, and I will fan a little bit so when she opens her eye, it doesn't burn as much. Don't forget to check if there is any lashes stuck to the bottom, and we are all done. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys like it. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you guys can see more tips and tricks in the future, and follow me in Instagram so we can be connected. We'll see you next time. Bye.